Good morning. Welcome to Mam Tour. I'm being quiet because there's caravans behind me and people are asleep. But we're going up. We're not going to the peak. Well, we may do later. But we're going to about just there behind me to the famous gate, so we can look along the ridge line and get a picture with this famous sunrise behind us. It is about 20 to 7, quarter to 7, something like that, so I've got about half an hour to get there. Should make it easy. But already the colours, as you can see, are incredible. Let's go. And we're in position. It is 5 past 7, and as you can see, the sun's about 15 minutes away from rising, something like that. It looks spectacular. Now, this is I don't know if you can see this on camera right now, but this is the fence in question, where we get a nice shot with the path behind going up the ridge. Better get set up with the camera. Time for a time lapse. Let's go. When you're doing anything like this, photography wise, bring a coffee with you. Keep you warm. Oh yes. Cheers. If you see, we've got about 3 million people on top of Mam Tour. All the way down the path. All on my lonesome. I've got this camera taking a time lapse, and then this camera's ready to go to shoot the actual shots. And that's the view. Beautiful. If you're wondering where I've come from to this morning, I've followed this path here all the way round to the car park there. You can see that path clearly all the way there. So the sun has risen and all the droves from the top of the mountain are all coming down to do the Great Ridge Walk, which I've done a video on before, and it is a fantastic walk. I will link that here so you can have a look. We did that last year. I've done it a few times, never disappoints. But now on to the next thing, which it's Sunday now, but last Thursday night we had an amazing, and I mean an amazing, Aurora. Now, I didn't video this, it took me a little bit unawares, I wasn't expecting it, so I just went out with the camera, and well, these are the images I got. They were taken Malcop in Staffordshire. Absolutely glorious place. And yeah, what a night it was. Right, it's getting busy now. I think it's time for me to go. Oh, I've got a dog coming here. Nope, don't want to know me. Anyway, I'll spin this way. You can see some of the people behind me, but there's behind the camera there's a big queue coming. And I don't want to be talking when they're here. But for now, thank you very much. We'll see you on the next one.